David's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious banana punch. Okay, so first you're gonna put your ripe bananas in. Okay, then you're gonna put your evaporated milk. Then you're gonna put a little vanilla, cinnamon, condensed milk, a little almond, not much, just a little bit. Okay, and then you're gonna add some water. Okay, like this. Okay, so we're gonna blend. Okay, so this is our delicious banana punch. Okay, smells good too. So I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious. Okay, so live, laugh, enjoy your food. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.